Okay, so today I'm going to show you a trick about conditional formatting with icons. Okay, so we have a table over here for sales in 2020, and we have 2021 over here, and we want to compare whether it has increased or decreased, and we want to assign the icons to it, namely the green arrow, the red arrow, and the dash. Okay, dash for 0%. Okay, and how are we going to achieve this? Okay, let's start from here. Okay, so we are going to use a formula to get the percentage, right? So we have this, okay, then we copy the formula, right? Copy the formula to all the cells over here, and we use the shortcut Control Shift 5, okay, to get the percentage. Now we have this, we want to assign icons to it using conditional formatting. We go to conditional formatting, icon sets, and we want this, okay. And now you notice that we have the icons, but it does not seem right because this is supposed to be, this 24% is supposed to be green, arrow up, and this 0% is supposed to be a dash, right? So what happened over here? Okay, we have to edit the rules. Okay, so let's go back to conditional formatting, manage rules, just double click. Okay, now we have the rules. Okay, so we change the type to number for both, and we set this to be more than, and click OK. Okay, and there we have it. This is correct now. Okay, so this is how you do the conditional formatting with icon sets. So I hope you learned something over here. If you like this video, please subscribe and see you in the next video. Bye.